Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to install a M7 catch can on my 2012 Mini Cooper S. This is the N18 motor. It's really a straightforward process. Comes with the catch can, comes with your lines, and it comes with the hardware as well. Should only take about 30 minutes. Really simple. You probably can use a screwdriver or just a pick that I have. All we're going to be doing is taking this PCV line out and replacing these two lines with the catch can in its place. So I started out by removing the cover for the just on top. There is a clip right here that you want to remove. And then there's these two tabs that you just want to pull away, and it should just slide right out. Alright, so after you get that PCV line off, you want to take the straight hose, and this is in the M7 kit at least. You'll put this hose clamp over the end, and you will just push it on there. Make sure you get it nice and tight. So you will still need to keep these little ends off of the PCV valve, and you'll want to just keep those plugged into where they are. Then you can slide these into place. I guess that's nice. Make sure you put on your hose clamp before you put it on. You can go ahead, I'm working right here. Push that on, make sure it's nice and tight, and then just plug this back into how it was. And then you can route the lines to your catch can. So after you get these hose clamps all tightened up, you want to make sure that you plug this sensor back in where the PCV goes. What I like to do is put it in this little bracket, then push everything into where they're supposed to go. Take a flathead and then just basically just gently just push it in, and it goes right in. If you don't do that, it comes up as a code, and that would be the reason why. Alright, after we got those lines all plumbed up, we can go ahead and grab the catch can, install it in this bracket over here, take the screw that is included in there, and we'll just put that in, push it back, and go ahead and put the screw in. Make it pretty flush, get pretty tight. And there we go. And now we can go ahead, route these lines right into here, and we'll be set. So I went ahead and routed this line underneath the charge pipe. Kind of like it a little bit better. You can get a direct angle onto the catch can. So I went ahead and did that. Just put these right up here, make them snug, and then we'll go ahead and start the car. Like I forgot this, so I'll go ahead and plug it in. Well, you guys, it looks like everything's all nice and tight still. Nothing looks like it's leaking. Nothing's melted. Looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead, shut this off. Oh, just ran into the door there. Lovely. Check the dipstick real quick. Bone dry as expected, but hopefully over time we'll start catching some oil and I won't have so much carbon buildup. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.